Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, August 5th, 2024, and we're looking to go up with the market. We're going to put in a limit order and see if we get filled here on the next bar open.
Order filled.
And our limit order just got filled, and wow, that took off really quick, faster than expected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark up my charts little by little. We entered roughly around there. It's already up, let me see, $2. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in that $2 now and play it basically bar by bar. And then once we get enough profit on the table that we locked in, we will go over what happened. And here's roughly around $3, right? Come on, no. There. So there's $3 up. I believe this has enough strength to go to the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. Hold on. Let me fill in that. So $4 up right now. Once we get a little bit farther past the 50 moving average, I think it's going to fail. So we're going to punch out at that point, but we'll see what happens. And here's a $5 move, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on one sec, right there. Let's lock in that $5 run. And here's a $6 run. All right. There. And we're going to close out our position right.
Order filled.
And there's a $6.25 move, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go over what happened. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, Fibonacci, lightning to the upside. 555, lightning to the upside. As always, never forget, be a pro.